Find the Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 3t plus 4 whole cube plus 5 raised to t. Okay, find the Laplace of transform. Now given f of t is a 3t plus 4 whole cube plus 5 raised to t. Okay, this is not a standard form. First to convert into standard form, then apply the Laplace transform. Okay, now you know that standard formula, basic formula, a plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. This is standard formula, and f of t is equal to, using standard formula here, now a cube is 3t whole cube is 27 t cube plus this b cube is a 108, b cube is a 64 plus 3a b square plus 3a square b is 108 t square plus 144 t plus. Okay, now convert into standard form. 5 raised to t you can write like this: e to the power log of 5 into t. Okay, that means e raised to at. A means log 5. Then you apply Laplace transform on both sides. Laplace of f of t is equal to 27 is constant, only Laplace of t cube. 64 is outside, Laplace of 108 Laplace of t square, 144 Laplace of t only, plus Laplace of e raised to the power log 5 into t. Okay, and 27. Now t raised to n, using formula Laplace of t raised to n is a positive integer. Then use this formula like this: Laplace of t raised to n is equal to n factorial upon s raised to n plus 1. N is a positive integer. Use this formula: 27 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial s raised to n plus 1. N means 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. S raised to 4 plus 64. Laplace of 1 is a 1 upon s plus 108 Laplace of t square, 2 factorial upon s n plus 1 is s cube. Okay, now 144 Laplace of t is a 1 factorial upon s square plus e raised to at means 1 upon s minus a means log 5. Now therefore Laplace of f of t is equal to, and 162 divided by s raised to 4, I'll write order wise, then 216 s cube plus 144 s square plus 64 s plus 1 upon s minus log 5. Now this is required solution.